Welcome to this new episode of the series on Satoshi Nakamoto's white paper, From A to Z.
L for ledger.
Have you ever wondered how Bitcoin keeps track of all the transactions that take place? Well, the answer lies in the blockchain ledger. A blockchain is essentially a digital ledger that records all transactions that occur on the Bitcoin network. Each block contains a number of transactions, along with a unique code called a hash that identifies the block and all of its contents. Once a block has been added to the blockchain, it cannot be altered or deleted, which means that the information contained in the ledger is permanent and tamper-proof. This makes the ledger a highly secure and trustworthy source of information about all Bitcoin transactions. So the next time you send or receive Bitcoin, just remember that it's all recorded on the blockchain ledger. That's all for today. Thanks for watching. Stay tuned for more insights into the white paper and be sure to check out our other videos in this series.